So just get it on me, Nick. Okay guys, welcome back Facebook. I'm here right now. I got one of my guys, Nick's here, is helping me. And so right now we're going to show you what's going on. So we got a lot of things that are wrong with this job right here. Like I was saying earlier, this piece is like freaking wobbling. You got, you know, this is hooked in wrong. This is hooked in wrong. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start rodding out this line. So I'm going to have my guy right here, Nick. He's going to go ahead and he's going to hold the cam while I put my rodder in there. This is the basic rodder. It's a power rodder. You just put it in there. You run it about 25 to 50 foot, and you can see, you know, what's coming on there. Okay, Nick, go ahead and do that, and just keep the camera on me. So, start rodding out this line. Just kind of get up closer, Nicky. Put a check valve on this thing. So give me this. All right, guys. So here's the thing. This is how ass backwards. Okay, pardon the pun. This is how crazy some of these jobs are. This is why you want to hire a licensed plumber. Okay, which I am. This piece right here that was put in, I tried rodding it out. This guy's right here. This piece right here. This is a check valve. Okay, this is a complete wrong tool. It's a check valve for a sump pump, and these guys put this in. Okay, so right now my rod got caught in this thing, and I'm going to detach it right now. I'm going to repipe this thing. I'm going to show you how the proper way to rod out a kitchen sink. Okay, so hey Tony, good morning. Anessa, good morning. How are you? Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So Nick, go ahead and we're going to get it on there. This thing got locked in there, man. Alright guys, so here now, I got Nick holding it, so I detached it off this piece. Nick, throw this off to the side, will you? Just throw it in the back. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get it in the main line. See this main line back here? This is your main line going out of your kitchen. Okay, so that's the line that needs to be rodded out. So right now, I'm going to rod it out from right there because this guy put the wrong part in. Again, get the licensed guy out here that knows what he's been doing. Okay, Nick, go on. Okay. Kicking forward. So there's definitely resistance in there, guys. So what you do on these rodders, go back and forth. You want to bring it in about 25 to 50 foot. Got some resistance in here. Got a lot of stuff. So what you do is, go that one. So what you want to do is stop it right there. You loosen it up. You put some more. You just feed more rod in there. Feed the rod in. More you can. And I can feel there's a lot of stuff that it kind of loosened up. Shut it down. Get it going. It's a back and forth process. Kind of moving a little bit, you know. Just going back and forth. Kind of loosening up already. You can kind of feel it. Change direction, forward, reverse, forward, reverse. Let's see what we're doing here. These things, I'd recommend you do these kitchen and bath sinks at least twice a week, or twice a year. If you can't get it done once, you know, get it done twice a year. If you can't get it done twice, get it done once. It does that. It kind of gets the holes up. Bend this guy up a little bit. So this thing's kind of clogged up. So kind of seeing right here, it's just a little bit of a battle back and forth. I'm going to try this about another 30 seconds. You kind of get the gist of what's going on. So I'm going to keep rodding it here and just show you. You get nasty stuff. If you don't do this once a year, guys, pay me now or pay me later type of thing, you know. So it's going in, which you can tell it hasn't been cleared out in a long time. When it hits and spins, things like that, that means there's something in the line. This is an 1.5 inch line right here. So usually going in anywhere from 10, 25, sometimes, you know, up to 50 foot if you can. Just loosen this guy. Loosen the chuck. Feed it back in. Reverse. Alright. So here's basically, guys, you know, what we're looking at right here. So I'm going to keep doing this about another 5-10 minutes. And this is usually what happens. Let me show you. Just in your standard, like in your sink, see how things get backed up? I'll show you here. See this down here? Nick, give me the light over here. See how the sinks, someone just bought the property. Okay, someone just bought the property. Look at all that stuff backing up. See, that's all dirt. So we're gonna keep banging away at this thing for about another 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and we'll give you guys the update what's going on. But what happens is when they get jammed up in the lines, all the dirt and everything pushes back up to the top. Okay, and you basically, you know, you have people, you know, amateurs that are doing this job. Okay, so you gotta, again, bring in the right people. You gotta bring the right people in, and you gotta do the job right. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna shut this off. Give us about 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna take it. We'll get you guys back. We'll give you the update. Okay. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Okay. Bye.